Hi, this is Matt with Hawley Inspections. So one of the most important things you should get done during a home inspection is a sewer lateral inspection. It's going to tell you a lot about your sewer lines. What kind of condition they're in. Is there any cracks? Is there any breaks? Is there any obstructions? Today's sewer line, we come out the house, we come down the hillside, we discovered that it is not connected to the city main. It is not connected to a septic tank. It actually just drains onto the ground off this hillside that eventually drains down to the creek, which then eventually goes to the lake that this city actually gets their water supply from. So I'm gonna show you here just right now. You actually see my camera there where it came out of that 6-inch clay pipe, which is a sewer line, onto the ground here, where it's just down here draining straight into the ground. So for all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions in the St. Louis, in the Metro East, call Hawley Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day.